Hi everyone, welcome back and thank you for joining me this week. I hope you all had a very happy holiday season and are staying warm in this super freezing cold. On that note, I do have the unboxing video for January's ice box, which seems extremely fitting this week. So I'll go through that, show you a couple different things that you can do with some of the products in the box. And I will also mention that just with the holidays being so crazy busy, we do have some ice boxes left. There is a link I will put in the description below so you can order your ice box for January until they're sold out. We do have a limited quantity left, so you can get those until they're gone. And you can also sign up on our website at nailbasics.ca for our subscription boxes. They are a monthly service. You can cancel at any time. Just give us notice before the 15th of the month. So with that being said, I will show you what's going on in this month's box.